Hey, I'm Dex, a product specialist at Jamstik, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Jamstik Studio to the Creator plugin via Bitwig. First, plug your Jamstik into the computer using the supplied USB cable and turn it on. Next, launch Bitwig. Before we open the new project template, in the dashboard, navigate to Settings, then Controllers. Here, we can create a new MIDI instrument for Bitwig to interact with. To do this, select the Add Controller tab and add a generic MIDI keyboard device. Lastly, next to the MIDI icon, select Jamstik MIDI Out. You can also choose to rename your device by double-clicking where it says MIDI Keyboard and typing in what you'd like. For organization purposes, let's call it Jamstik Studio. Now Bitwig is set up to receive MIDI from our Jamstik, but before we exit out of this panel, let's quickly check our audio preferences. Still inside the Settings tab, select Audio and make sure your input and output devices are set to whatever interface you're using. In this example, we're using a Focusrite Scarlett 6i6, so we'll make sure that that's selected for both. The last setting to look out for here is the device block size. Without getting into too much detail, the higher this number is, the more lag you will experience in your playback. 128 is a great place to start, but if you're still noticing that lag, you can always jump back in and go lower. Now that our audio and MIDI preferences are set up accordingly, let's launch the Creator. In the Browser panel, search for Jamstik Creator and drag it into your session. You'll notice it immediately connects to the Jamstik Studio and displays the battery life here under the Device Settings tab. Lastly, we'll want to enable MPE on the plugin and change the channel routing from 1 to same. To make sure it's all working properly, let's record a quick chord progression. Inside Creator, navigate over to the Preset Browser tab. You'll see the presets are sorted by type and instrument. For this demonstration, let's use the Dreamy EP patch. Double check that the track is armed and your metronome is on, then hit record and play. Now you can open up the MIDI roll to quantize the performance or fix any mistakes you might have made or any unwanted artifacts that may have appeared. And we'll stop here for today, but hopefully you found this informative, and if you'd like to learn more about the Jamstik Creator and its functionality as a utility app and sound design tool, be sure to check out the video linked in the description box.